Hey guys, what's up? This is Bharat. You're watching iGyaan and today we're checking out the Dyson Pure Cool Link Air Purifier. So let's quickly get started. Now, I don't know if you guys checked out our previous video about the Dyson vacuum cleaner. It is one of my favorite vacuum cleaners that I've ever used. And I've in general been a fan of Dyson products. I've managed to get some of those from the UK whenever I travel there. But Dyson has launched a few products in India and the Pure Cool Link Tower Fan is one of them. Now, it's an air purifier fan, which is great. And it's priced at about 40,000 rupees, which may not be that great for a lot of people when you look at it from the first glance. But it is a lot more than just an air purifier. It's also a full-fledged fan. You can control it via Wi-Fi and it also looks fantastic. So let's quickly unbox it and see what all is inside the box. Now the fan comes apart, so it's a little bit of a setup process. You do get the filter, the outside cover and the motor itself. Now this cyclone motor is what they use for their vacuum cleaners as well. So it's quite cool. And what this allows the company to do is direct the air upwards and then through the fins on the top, hence making the fan a completely bladeless fan, which basically means that it's not only a great fan, but it's also safe to have around people, around kids, especially if they're poking their fingers into things. This one will in no way hurt you or damage you. Now let's talk a little bit more about the filter. The filter is a 360-degree glass HEPA filter and it's coated with a carbon activated filter and also has an H13 glass HEPA filter, and it's pleated over 200 times to get a nice density, and it allows cleaning up of particles as small as PM 0.1, which is 0.1 microns, which includes things like dust, pollen, spores, bacteria, anything that you may have in your house. This will clean it up. Now, because of the way that it's designed and because of the way it throws air forward, it allows the air to circulate a lot more. So once you have it in your room, it'll cover a big area and allow the air to move around, hence pass through the filter and get a cleaner option. What's great about this fan is that it does come with a remote, and the remote goes on top magnetically so that you don't lose it, because these tiny remotes can be lost quite easily. So the remote does offer basic functionality. You do get a basic power button, an auto button, the ability to increase the speed of the fan from 0 to 10 all the way, the ability to make the fan turn on its own so it'll automatically spin and pass air to all areas, also allow for better filtration. And then you also have a night mode, which basically quiets down the fan to a low setting so that you don't hear it. It doesn't disturb you when you're going off to sleep. And it also dims the light on the display over at the front. The display is quite unique because it also tells you the speed of the fan and also how much time the fan has been on for. And if you do set a timer, you can see that on the display itself. But if you want more information, you can always download the Dyson app. Now this app allows you to not only monitor the PM levels in your house in the area where the fan is, but also to remotely start or stop the fan. So if you go out, you can turn off the fan, but when you're about to reach home, you can turn on the fan and make it run for a little while and set it to clean up your room before you arrive. You can also set up schedules and auto modes where it automatically turns off when the room is clean and automatically turns on again when it starts to detect PM levels which are unsafe for normal breathing. Now cities like Delhi, which have a lot of pollution indoors as well as outdoors, basic things like plants and keeping your doors closed does not work because you have a lot of fresh air coming into your houses, a lot of dust, pollen and smoke coming into your houses. So it's a really good idea to get a good quality air filter. And if you're looking for something that also adds to the aesthetic appeal, the Dyson one is definitely up there. Definitely pricier than many of the other air purifiers, but this is also a fan. And one of the greatest things about the Dyson fans is the air multiplier technology, which when the air passes through the fan creates a cyclone effect. And then because of the way the fan fins are designed, it tends to feel at least a degree or 2 degrees cooler. It is called a cool link because of that reason, because once the air passes through the fan, it appears or it feels cooler than regular air coming from a regular fan. Interesting. Does it actually work? We'll do a full test. We'll put a thermometer and we'll test it out for you guys if you really want to check that out. And if you guys want a full review of the Pure Cool Link Tower Fan, do let me know in the comment section below. If you want us to check out other Dyson products or any other brand, do let us know in the comment section below as well. This has been Bharat. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.